Hi, I'm Pudding from DMC. Have you ever thought of using Facebook Marketplace to promote your products? Facebook Marketplace is free to use and it can help your product to reach more people and more sales. Today, I'm going to show you how to sell product on Facebook Marketplace. Alright, in order to sell products on Marketplace, first step, you have to open your browser and navigate to Facebook. Means you have to log in your Facebook account before we go to Marketplace. So after you log in your account, you just focus here. Marketplace. You just click on Marketplace. Okay. Actually, what is Facebook Marketplace? Facebook Marketplace is a convenient platform for people to discover and buy or sell items. Other than that, people can find what they are looking for by filtering the result by category, locations, and price. And shoppers can view the certain category here. You can see there are different product category. Okay, shopper can view the certain category or all the category to search for particular products. So you can see here got the electronics, homes, garden, memory. Okay, there are many so on. So we just focus on this right side. Right, you can see other seller, the products, birds, and then the light lamp. Right, and then there are different products here. Okay, so if you want to sell something, products on Marketplace, you just click on this button, sell something. The step is very simple, don't worry. Okay, right. There are different steps you have to follow. The first step is you have to enter product's name on what you're selling. Okay, for example, I'm selling female dress. Okay, I just type female dress. Okay, after that, add product price in the price field. Okay, maybe it's 40 ringgit, right? Remember to update the product pricing in your data file so people can see the accurate product information in your product listing. Okay. Okay, third step is make sure your location is correct. Okay, and then this is most important, your product category. Okay, make sure the product category, make sure the product that you are going to sell can be found in the Marketplace product category. If not, Facebook Marketplace will reject or remove your product listing for any reason. Okay, so I will find my product category. Okay, let's see. My product is female dress, so should be the woman clothing, right? Right, woman clothing. Right. Okay, here, woman clothing. Okay, make sure the product category is correct. And then, okay, to update the product availability, edit the information in the availability column. So, list ads in stock. Okay. Alright, then describe your item. Okay, describe your item. What is the function, feature, benefit? Right. I will demo. I just type simple description for my products. Alright. Okay, female dinner dress. Alright, size S, M, L, right, XL. Then color, okay, black, white, and red. And then you have to put your contact. Okay, contact. Okay, maybe, or WhatsApp. Okay, for example, you have to put your contact, all right? Or they can PM, okay, can search your informations or contact you on the messenger, okay, don't worry. After that, okay, you just insert your product image. Just click on this and insert your product image. Okay, I will upload my dress. Okay, dress one and dress two. Okay, dress three. Okay, after that, click on next. Okay, all right, you can see here. Okay, other than post your products on marketplace, you can share your product listing on other Facebook group. Okay, if you want to share your product listing to other group, you just click, okay, like this, okay, compa group or other. Okay, this is not related Facebook group, so you don't have to share, right? Okay, for me, I just click on the marketplace. I just share on the marketplace, all right? And then you just click on publish. All right, you just wait a while. All right, you can see here here is my marketplace product listing. Before this, I sell fruits, dim sum, and veggie. Right now, I'm selling dress. Okay. After that, you receive the customer PM message, and when the inquiry come in. So don't worry. Make sure your product image and description is attractive enough. All right. So that's very simple. Okay. Everyone can sell the products on marketplace. So okay.
Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to help us like and share. If you have yet to subscribe, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new videos. See you in the next video.